Welcome everybody. Today we've got, continuing our Masters of the Universe week, we've got Orko the Great. He was pretty straightforward. Not much to him, just had the arms that move around, and he came with, originally had a zip pull, and he would like, on the spin around, he'd sort of randomly go. His hat is removable, but they didn't give us any details about what he actually looked like. And you see some of his, over the years, has worn off onto his hat, some of his, for lack of a better term, skin. On there, let's see, I'm popping back on. I think I did that right. Yeah, but so Orko the Great, the magic user, the spells never worked for him in the show. Pretty sure he was strictly created for the show, and they sort of, once it took off, they had to make an Orko action figure. He also came with like a little magic trick. It was a little gimmick thing. It had plastic coins in it, and you tap it and it would change the coin that showed. I'm sure it was magnets or something. It was, to an 8-year-old or whatever I was at that point, that was a really cool trick. But unfortunately, it was the same trick that everybody got that had an Orko, so it sort of lost its mystery. If they'd had more than one trick, then it might have been more, let's say more effective as far as the magic issue goes. I'm pretty sure. I'm trying to see. Yeah, that's right. That's the back of his hat. I'm trying to decide if I put his hat on backwards, but I'm thinking that's how it's supposed to look. But like I say, there's not much. There's no power punch action. I wish I still had the whatever's in the gyroscope or whatever in there is still spinning. I can hear it. So if I had the zip pull, it would work. But I don't. But anyway, that's about all I got for old Orko. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from. And I'll see you next time.